Hey, Joe Perry here. Today I'm going to demonstrate how we unclog a main kitchen drain line. So what we have here is in our units is we have these access cover panels. We remove the access cover panel, put it on the side, and inside here, as you can see, we have the rubber boots separating. We slide this up. Jeez. Slide the boot up. You can see where we had cut out the pipe there so we can have access to it. Now we take our electric auger. Now this particular auger comes out. It's got about 75 feet. Make sure the switch is on forward. Step on the little pedal here to get it to start turning. And you just keep feeding the machine in. And the other good practice to this too is to have your on your kitchen faucet. Make sure you turn the hot water on, so that it's running down the drain. This helps clearing out the drain and making sure once you see that the water is running down smoothly, then you know the drain is clear. So here we have the drain is clear. Now we're going to pull the snake out. We pull it in reverse. Now, again, we step on the pedal. Hold it back, bring it back in there. Now when you feel yourself getting close to coming out, this will be wet, so I suggest not to use the reverse, but to know that just to use your hand and push it back into the machine. Because I'm telling you, if you don't do it that way, and this chain is all wet, all that is going to splash on your face, on the wall, and it'll be a big mess. So you're going to hold this back. As you can see, push that all back. You slide the rubber back in place. Tighten up tighten everything up there. Put this back in here. Close it up. As you can see, the water is draining freely. So there we have it. Another job well done using our electric auger. Have fun, guys.